Rise has some of the best jump scares I've seen in years. I caught this movie at the Fantasia International Film Festival, and let me tell you about it. Ju Young, a woman with a hearing impairment, investigates her sister's disappearance last seen in her apartment. But soon, strange noises start creeping in and getting closer and closer. The sound design in this movie is absolutely incredible. It's terrifying, it's creative. If you hate loud noises, bring your earplugs. The real star of the show, the jump scares. I'm not even kidding, the guy in front of me almost fell out of his chair multiple times during the screening. They're that good. Release date for the US and Canada is currently TBD, but follow me and save this video so you don't miss it when it comes out.